So come on, open up the doors and let the music play. Let the streets resound with singing. Songs that bring your hope, songs that bring your joy. Dancers who dance upon injustice. Alright, I think it's time for us to dance upon injustice. What do you think? I want to see everybody's hands in the air from the back to the front. Just take someone's hand next to you, on the left and the right, don't leave anybody out. Something very powerful about joining hands across all the denominations in this city. It's great having a room filled with people of all walks of life. But you know, there's only one church and there's only one Jesus, yeah?